guys, Cole Miner Customs here. We're going to do a unboxing of the 7-inch LED round headlights. So I got these off of eBay, I think for $49 or $59. I think they're actually on sale for 49 bucks. They're basically a Chinese brand. They're cheap, and we're going to kind of see later on. We're going to install them in an actual F100. So check out that video, which will be posted a little bit later on. If you hadn't already, go ahead and subscribe, and also too, at the end of this video, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and if you have any questions. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Already cut the tape and everything. So we got some extra harnesses. I believe these are going to be for a newer style Jeep that converts I believe it's the H4. It should be on the back of these. Yeah, looks like it converts the H4 into the new style harness for the Jeeps. Sorry for the noise. Let's kind of see. Like you got the LED set up with the projection bulbs and then a halo. I did do some reading on these, and I've actually installed some other headlights that are similar to these, which are the square headlights. If just pan right over real quick, you can kind of see them on this Jeep Cherokee that we actually installed them on. So on these, they do have some like daytime running lights, which actually light up these little arrows, and I believe they're probably going to be set up the same way on these 7-inch. So typically one of these wires is for a amber and another one is actually for white. So I don't believe there's anything else in the box. So no instructions. Like I said, if you'll watch the next video, we'll actually show you how to install them into a vehicle, which is going to be a 71 F100. So if you got any questions, guys, comments, likes, dislikes, shoot me a message. All right, see you next time.